welcome back to my YouTube channel, this is Madge, and for today's video we're going to talk about the collaboration giveaway of Pixelverse and OKX Web3 sa Galax campaign, guys. So check natin ano ba yung mga tasks na kailangan natin gawin, ano ba yung other requirements para tayo ay maka-join at maging eligible tayo sa kailang pag-giveaway. Kaya don't skip, stay till the end of this video para wala kayo ma-miss na important details. But before I jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. So, a total of 50,000 USDT yung paghahati-hatian ng 1,000 participants na mapipili. So, here, kailangan of course, naka-follow kayo at verify yung inyong OKX wallet, and yan, naka-follow kayo sa Pixelverse, sa OKX Web3, and then of course naka-sign up din kayo using your email dito sa Galax campaign, guys, sa Pixelverse, guys, diba? Ito yung nasa Telegram, and meron din silang website. So dapat sa website is same email address. Okay, kung ano yung naka-sync sa inyong Galax, dapat yun yung email address na nakalagay or naka-sign up kayo. Okay? So, don't forget that. So, basahin nyo na lang yan, guys. So, after 2 weeks, but tentative pa rin yan, guys. Hindi naman nasusunod yan after the campaign. Tapos, within 2 weeks is may ibibigay. So, pwede yan ma-delay. Okay? Kaya, magugulat lang tayo na dumating na yung kadalasan naman yung automatic sa ating naka-sync in na OKX dito. So kaya wag yung expect na after the tapos magbilang kayo ng 2 weeks. Don't expect that. Sometimes nade-delay yan. Okay? Kaya eto na yung mga tasks. So as you can see, kailangan verified yung OKX wallet nyo, guys, at naka-sync dito sa inyong Galax campaign. And then, of course, kailangan natin mag-retweet. And then, visit the page. So, konti lang naman yung kailangan nating gawin na tasks dito, guys. So, gawin nyo na siya kagad. Dahil, once na na-end siya, sayang lang. Baka hindi na kayo makahabol, diba? At least, malay nyo sa 1,000, isa kayo sa mabunot, diba? And then, of course, ayan, follow Pixelverse. And then of course yun nga yung follow OKX Web3 sa kailang X account. So naka-follow naman na tayo, but of course paminsan kasi kailangan kapag hindi siya nag-sync agad, kailangan nyo pa rin siyang i-click. Okay, and then click yung circle, and then once na nag-sync, okay na siya. So yung sa retweet na lang, guys. So ayan, okay na. Then click participate, and then ayan, click approve. So pag nag-join na siya, it means naka-join na kayo dyan, guys. Okay na siya. So meron pa tayong few days left. So sayang din yan until I think June 30. Tama ba? Until July 2. So until July 2 pa siya, guys. But of course, habang maaga is so mag-join na kayo. So 173 na yung nagpa-participate. So 1,000 dyan yung pwedeng manalo. So you never know, baka isa kayo sa swertehin dito. So until next time, bye!